Yo, what's going on, everybody? Jermaine Lee Monster Steel here, coming at you with this video, fresh out of the fire, if you will. It just came across my desk. I've had quite a few people hitting me up about the Abundance Network. You know, what is it? Does it work? Who owns it? Is it a scam? Today, I'm going to actually answer just a few of those questions for you. I'm going to log into the back office. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Now, keeping in mind, the first about week or two, they had some glitches in there. And who owns it? Who created the system, if you will? Jeff Long. And now... I've known Jeff Long for quite some time, probably since about 2012. We've been a part of various programs, or I've been a part of his programs along the years, and Jeff always puts out really good systems. He's actually a coder himself. For those that don't know what coder means, if you're watching this video and you just stumbled across it by typing in Abundance Network, don't worry about that right now. It basically means he builds a lot of his own stuff. So they had some glitches the first week with the phone number systems and getting your numbers set up. So I waited for the kinks to be worked out, if you will, and we're golden. We're good to go, right? So I just got my number out I just got my number connected and I got my phone number out. This is a phone system, right, where you send out phone numbers. I'm going to show you here in just a minute, but I want to speak to you guys about the system first. But I just got my numbers out. Leads are coming in, just a few already. My personal sponsor who came into this, one of my good friends, business partners, students, if you will, Cater Cormier. We just came under him, and again, the leads are rolling in. I'm really excited about this program for a few reasons. Is if you're in something else, right, and you're promoting an MLM or you're promoting an affiliate business or e-commerce, this is not going to interfere. It's actually going to help you to feed people into your other programs, right? Why? Because inside of the system, and I'll show you. Let's go ahead and log in here. They give you, and you can see there's a few opt-ins, and I think when I just started recording this, I had 3 and 2, right? So you get $100 payments to you directly by Cash App, PayPal, whatever you set up within the back office, right? But again, what I really like about this, and I'm going to show you here in just a minute, is you being able to send people to your main program, or if you're anything like myself and you're a consultant for several businesses and dozens of leaders in the industry, right? This could lead them into your other programs or to your consultancy business, if you will. So with Abundance Network, first thing you're going to do is call that number. And as you can see there, that's my number, 667-201-7788. Go ahead and go through the whole process. There's really not a lot of questions to be asked about the setup process, or to be answered, I should say, about the setup process. It's very, very straightforward. So I'm going to be very careful here so I don't have to edit this video and go into my opt-ins, because I don't want to give away people's emails and stuff like that. But what I wanted to show you guys was system setup, just so you kind of know as you're moving along and you do decide to go through this process, you know what the setup looks like, you know what it entails, you know what you're doing. And then whatever other questions you have, you can click on the links below, add me on Facebook, send me a text or whatever, and I'll answer those questions for you. So the first step is going to be buying credits. You're going to need to spend at least $10 worth of credits, which is really cool because they had Nexmo, which is another phone. You get phone numbers there. It's a vendor, and within there you had to deposit $200. So there was a lot of people waiting, saying it's too expensive. They had another $10 option, and those were all third party. So now Jeff has integrated something that is in-house, if you will. So meaning now that they have control of it, you don't have to deposit $200. You can deposit as little as $10, right? So once you go ahead and you call in the number, you go through the whole process. You send me as your sponsor the $100, right? Which, of course, with you joining my team, you're going to be able to access different trainings like pay-per-click, video marketing, techniques such as the one that I'm using now to get you to find me, and various other techniques by joining through me. Once you pay the $100, you are going to have, and I'm always very transparent, you're going to have an admin fee of $50, which is to be able to use the system, right? That's what's going to keep the system going and Jeff going. And keep in mind, there's going to be developments. There's going to be, I'm sure, I can't, say for 100%, but I'm sure they might have other levels or different trainings and maybe an event in the future, right? It's a really good system. And again, it's put together very well. It's very seamless. So it's a good way for you to get people into your other programs. Once you pay the $100, you pay the $50 admin fee, and that's it, right? Everything from then on is you purchasing these credits. And I'll go back to my dashboard in a minute, but I think I use like 20 cents maybe on 4 calls, right? So it's about 5-10 cents a call. But keeping in mind, if you spend $10 to get one sign up, you made your $100 back for your initial investment, and then on your third sale, because there are pass ups, you have made another $100 to recoup your investment on the credits, and then you have made some profits on your third sale. So keep in mind your second and your fourth pass lead or opt-in, or sign up, there we go, is going to pass up to your sponsor, right? So your first sale is going to go to you. Your second sale is going to come to me, right, by signing up through me. Now, once you purchase your credits, you're going to click on get a phone number. It's going to take you through just a small process of setting up your phone number, then an admin number. This is really cool because I just got texts, a few texts a little while ago when the leads, or as the leads are going through the system, and it says you have a hot lead. So that gives you an idea of, who's going through your system. And I'm not going to show you all that because it has their emails. I don't want to edit this video. I'm out at a casino right now in Reno visiting with family. But I wanted to shoot this video to get my video up on YouTube and be able to share this with the people that are going to sign up through us, right? So again, you get a text that says hot lead. It takes them through the system. It kind of, as they're moving along through the process, you'll be able to not only see that on your text, but in the back office here under, let's see, I believe it's under phone system usage log. But again, I'm not going to click there because it's going to show private information and I'll have to do this video over. Now, you do have my phone number. That's fine. This is where the primary business comes into play. So I just put one of my e-com courses there. So anybody that comes through this process is going to, see my my primary program. So again, it's a feeder program to feed people into, other businesses. So we probably haven't joined one of these feeder programs in quite a while. But again, when this came across my desk, I said, you know what? This is simple. It's something we can do passively as we're, traveling, and all you got to do is share a phone number. Step 5, you start marketing, right? They even give you guys access to, a couple techniques here. There were a few more. I think they're going to put them back. They're going through some updates in the system. But posting on Facebook, sending your phone number to all your contacts. Clearly, that's a kind of a cold market way of getting it across. But again, by joining through me and being in our team, I'm definitely going to share some ways with you that you can reach some people that are already warm, or attract them to you just like I attracted you to me through this video. So if you got some value, head over to Facebook. Make sure you click on the link below. I'll leave a link for our affiliate group. It's called Affiliate. Let me just pull it up for you. Affiliate Beast Mode. It'll be this one here, free training. All right. Join that group, guys. And I've just got a bunch of training in there on affiliate stuff and buying stocks, investment apps, things like that. We've got over 100 people in the last week or so that have joined. So again, if you just want to ask questions there and you want to, kind of follow us and hang out, go over there, click that button, join the group, and we're glad to have you there. Again, if you got some value, reach out to me on Facebook. And again, make sure that you can see I've got 5 call-ins now, right? So we just had 4 and 3. So again, this will probably be 20 within an hour because I've sent out some messages and email and did a couple other things that are going to get people calling this phone number very quickly. So if you want to join the Abundance Network, dial that phone number, 667-201-7788, and reach out to me on Facebook, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there's tons of value on there, and I'll be dropping videos once a week or twice a week, if you will, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.